Gunkin, Sunsheep, Shark, Armed Sage, Earth Chant, and Didi Assault Carrier. Drydon, Mew, Beta, Fafnir. That's all of that one. Armed Dragon, Thunder, level 5. Parametalfoes, Azurtless. Meow, Cyclic. Blink Apple. You and I. Arrow Pixie 3. Pindrain Saction. Sorry if I mispronounced any of these. Sun, Avalon, and Daphne. Book of Lunar Eclipse. Armed Dragon Thunder level 10. Oh, wow, that's a cool looking guy. Mimicking Maneater Bug. Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion, sorry. Sunvine Sowing. Despian Tragedy. Ice Jade Cradle. Despian Proto-Skenion. Cyanite Cascade. Beat Trooper Armor Horn. Alright, that's the second pack done. Whoops, dropped a pack. Armed Dragon Thunder level 5. Armed Dragon Blitz. Cordius the Trifactic Dealman. Zexal and Trust. Ida the Sun Magician. Flying Red Carp. Branded in Red. Radiant. I can't pronounce that. Flew, Wander Freeze, and Epin. Dark Infant Ingester. Rebuilder. Forbidden Droplet. Stay Sailor Romarian. Bujin Candace Science. Magi Key Beast. I can't pronounce that either. Sorry, there's some that I can't pronounce. Gizmic Tenguki, the Immobile Intellect. Judgment of the Branded. Beat Trooper Formation. And that's that for that pack. Let's open the next one. Armed Dragon Blitz. Windwitch Freezebell. Stairway to Fabled Realm. Zexal and Trust. Chrono Molly Magella Globe. Fabled Treason. Chrono Molly Vimana. High Ritual Art. Virtual World Gate Zanwu. Lena the Light Charmer, Oto Shidam Masashi, Arm Dragon Thunder level 7, Magiki Mafti, Bujin Kin Science, Constellar Caduceus, Winwitch Blizzard Bell, Ancha Mofreet, Signet Crosswipe. That's another pack down. We got a bunch to go. Heavy. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get into the photo or the video. Heavy Beat Trooper Mighty Neptune, Destiny Hero Denier, Metal Foes Vanisher, Star Mine, Psychic Eater Laser, Stellar Wind Wolf Riot, Birth of the Prominence Flame, Trap Trick Vesiculo, Dan Mari Ignister, Reinforcement of the Army's Troops, Tri-Brigade Bear Brum the Rampanter, Greater Polymerization. Sorry if I'm butchering the words here, guys. This is my first unboxing. I'm a little nervous. Gunkin Ship, a Curie Class Dreadnought, an Undaunted Bumpkin Beast, Ice Jade Cradle, Albion the Shrouded Dragon, EMR, Night Sword Serpent. Next pack. Lantern Shark, Magical Broker, Awaking the Possessed Gaga Gigobite, Inferno Knight Magius, Red Rain, Gasari at Agnister, Linguribo, sorry, I'm trying to get into focus. Superheat Samurai Scarecrow, Tri-Brigade Revolt, Adaman C. Petter Risen. I don't know how to say that. Titanclad the Ash Dragon. Well, that's pretty cool. Marinus Pascalis, Inferno Knight Alstafo, Nine Lives Cat, Redeemable Jar, Rose Girl, Dogmatica Nation, Ravenous Croco Dragon Archithesis. And I'm sorry about the bad setup. I plan to get a tripod, and it should help. I'm actually set up with my wallet and my eyeglasses case, holding it like this. Ice Jade Tinola, Parametalphos Atzerlus, Arm Dragon Thunder level 3, Expendable Die, Beat Trooper Light Flapper, Gunkin Sunship Uni, Arm Dragon Flash, A Book of Lunar Escape, ooh, a Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood, Heavenly Zephyr Miradora, Synchro Overtake, Lord of Heavenly Prison, Gungan Sunship Aruka, Angel Statue Azu Rune, Live Twin Sister Snitch, Magic Key Battle, Converging Wills Dragon, and Brandon and High Spirits. Okay, another pack, another group of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Melfi Mami, Fury of the Kairyu Shin, AIQ, Dark Lord Nurgle, Speedroid Block and Roll. And feel free to comment in the comments if I pulled anything good. I don't know. I'm just getting into. I've collected since I was 11, but I don't know the prices on cards, and it would be. I just think some of them look cool, and I know some rare ones, but if you could help me out and tell me if I drew anything really well, let me know in the comments. Super Heavy Samurai Sword Master Musashi, Drytron Delta Atlas. Oh, I got an El Shaddai construct. Oh, that's really cool. I can put that in my Shaddai deck. Oh, and there's another Shaddai, Windy. Adamant's Rap. I can't pronounce it. Virtual World City, Kawulin. Witchcrafter Patronus. Sorry guys, I'm nervous. This is my first time doing an unboxing on stream. On a recorded video. Gatchachiri and Ignister. Melfi Rabbit. Blizzard. Rockman Xeno Guitar. Horn of Oliphant. Getting down to the wire on the packs. Cyberverse Accelerator. Bellcat Fighter. Inferno Knight Oliver. Battle Survivor. Dark Lord Uprising. Sorry, I keep pulling away. Goki Guts. Performable Turn Trooper. The Phantom Knights of the Stained Greaves. That could go on my Phantom Knights. Oh wow, we got Gaia the Magical Knight of Dragons. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Dogmatic Nexus, Fallen of Albaz. He looks cool, don't you think? Infernal Noble Knight Emperor Charles. Marinus Baslamalima. Hinizumi Hanaba. Wind Pegasus Igniter. Tri-Brigade Standoff. Trans Kikata. Execution of the Contract. Interesting. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Okay. Ice Jade Erosion. Digit Jamming. Dark Contact with the Patient License. The Great Noodle Inversion. Melfi Penny. Libromancer Bonded. Nightmare the Dark Bonder. Exosister Card Dive M. Blackwing Chinook the Snow Blast. I got a Alba Linidus the Abyss Dragon. Arena the Labyrinth Servant. Floundries in the Event of Advent. Starlit Papillon. Scarecrow Slaw. Ice Jade Creation. RGO Cases. Archfiend Ghastly Glitch. Libromancer Mystic Girl. Night Gem Quartz. Overall, this has been fun. A few packs left. Double Dust Tornado Twins. Labyrinth Stovey. Torby. Melfi Wally. Blackwing Twin Shadow. Amazon Golden Whipmaster. Libromancer Prevented. Dogmatic Karma Cabri. Theron Duke Yule. Runic Freezing Curses. The Agent of Destruction Venus. Bystall Magma Hunt. Ignis Phoenix Master the Dragon Slayer. Amazon Silver Sword Master. Scarecrow Alternative. Libromancer the First Appearance. Haunted Zombies. Rika Konakun. Labyrinth Charred Druglier. Okay, last one of the 10 openings. And then we get into the Bonanza. Supreme Seeking Mar. Ice Jade Sinette Ian Cradle. Breath of Resurrection. Labyrinth Coup Clock. Libromancer. Let me get it to focus. Magi Girl. Sarctic radiation. S-Force retroactive. Naturia mole cricket. Oh, I can actually use this in my warrior deck. Exosister Caspitel. Pity Knight early. I got Timaeus the United Dragon. Vision of Blue with Eyes of Blue. Labyrinth Barrage. Libromancer Agent. Infernal Queen Salmon. Dinomorphia Sonic. Ichiroku's Ledger Book. Amphibious Brun Growth Mark 11. Okay, now we're down to the Bonanza. Let's see what we get out of the final packs. We got, can't even read it. Eradicator Epidemic Virus. Bonfire. Branded Offering. Or Branded Opening, I'm sorry. Danger Bigfoot and Debelistar the Black Witch. We got one more. Duke Academy. Netabis the Atlantean Prince. Dark Charmer. Salaman Great Circle. And Totally Awesome. Well, guys, that will be all for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel. I'm just starting out. I would appreciate any support. Maybe soon I'll have a PayPal and a P.O. box. But until then, thank you guys. I hope you have a great night. And this is Kasumi signing off.